Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to produce bleach at home. I'm going to use this video also to show you how to produce bleach and Vim in one production. Vim is a scoring powder used for washing black pots and utensils that are stained with soot or lampblack. But our main product in this production is bleach. Bleach enhances clothes cleaning, remove stubborn stains from clothes and keep them sparkling white. It can also serve as a disinfecting agent for toilet and bedrooms, for mopping and disinfecting our floors and environment. Because of its ability to destroy the coronavirus, it is widely used in hospitals and in public places for this purpose. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you subscribe so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Bleach can be made from the following materials. These are calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine, caustic soda, soda ash tens, industrial salt or sodium sulfate, and menthol. Before we go into the mixing process proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take in this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of chemicals required to produce about 20 liters of bleach. Calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine, 1 kilogram. Caustic soda, half kilogram. Soda ash, 1 kilogram. Industrial salt, 1 kilogram. And menthol, 2 tablespoons. Now these are the materials. This is calcium hypochlorite, also known as industrial chlorine. Calcium hypochlorite in bleach has the capacity to fight germs. This is what makes bleach a disinfectant. Bleach made with ingredients like calcium hypochlorite can be used to disinfect our environment against coronavirus. Now this is caustic soda, and this is soda ash. This is industrial salt. Industrial salt is made up of 99% sodium chloride and other elements like calcium, potassium, iron and magnesium. And finally, this is menthol. Menthol is also acting as a bleaching agent. Now, in no particular order, we're going to dissolve these chemicals in 20 liters of water. So first, we're going to measure about 15 liters of water into an empty bucket and add the calcium hypochlorite into the water. Now you can add your caustic soda. Add your soda ash. Now you can add your industrial salt. Dissolve the menthol in water and add it to it. Now stir the mixture very well for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now let the mixture stand for about 72 hours. Now this is the mixture after standing for 72 hours, so let's filter it very carefully. Now what you're seeing here is a filtrate, and this is called bleach. You will notice that the filtrate is yellowish in color. However, the yellowish color does not pose any problem. The bleach is effective, even like this. But if you want to make the bleach transparent, I've dropped a link in the description box below this video that will show you how to make this bleach transparent. And this is the residue. This residue can be dried and used as scoring powder. Scoring powder can be used to wash the back of our pot, and sometimes it is called vim. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/@sunshineresources/SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.